Hello everybody, welcome to TW4B This World for Bricks. Today we're going to be opening a Disney Animators Collection Littles. It's from the Disney store for £4. So let's start opening. Now here's the bag. I think it's going to be Flounder. And snip. Snip. I'm putting them wrong. Snip. Snip. Oh! It's Cinderella. Yay! Cinderella! She's like when she's a maid, but she thinks she's a little princess. And she's going to be a princess. And of course it comes with how to draw her. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. I'll just show you a quick way. And that's Cinderella. She's from the movie Cinderella. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. It's really good. And if you haven't seen the real life version, go and see it. It's amazing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Bye. And bye. The ones that you can get in wave 2: Ariel, Flounder, Sebastian, Cinderella, Suzy, Gus Gus and Hercules, and Mystery Juice.